Hello people of the internet, this is Keith from Keith's Woodshop. Today, we are doing an unboxing video. I know, you're excited. That is where I take things in a box, out of the box. Yes, it is that exciting. Alright, this is the package I've been waiting for. It's got a lot of stuff in it. As you see, bursting at the seams. Let's get this started. Most things in here are metal or wood, so we don't have to worry about damaging them. Special effects just for you. Alright, first item I find in the box that's going to come out of the box is our unknown number 5 hand plate. This number 5 needs a bolt like that, the screw in the knob, and we'll need a lever plate. And alright, this is missing front knob and the lever cap. And it's number 5. Next piece, number 4. It is also missing the lever cap, but it is also missing the blade and the chip guard. And this is, who knows what type this thing is, or who makes it or what, but got some parts. Make something out of it. It is also just marked made in the USA. No other information. Don't know who makes it. And this one is missing the front knob. That is a Craftsman. Also the same size as Stanley number 5. Alright, we have the Craftsman. It's kind of rusty and crusty. Needs a knob and a screw. That little nut that goes on top, nut screw. I currently have one that is just like it, except not all rusted and messed up. This, about size of the Stanley number 4, is missing the front knob and the bolt and the screw to hold it on. We got this guy here. He's a little bit wider. He's almost like a, yeah, that's a 4. Needs the bolt, screw, knob, an iron. This is a stamped, very cheap. It's a stamped plate, stamped little knob here. So far I don't see any information. And it's missing the blade as well, or the iron as it's called. No idea who makes this. I'll also get 4 block planes. And just a bunch of blocks. This one seems to be, other than the lack of a front knob here, seems to be the most intact of all of them. Well, let's see what we get. Alright, this guy here turns out to be a brand, at least the blade says trustworthy. And figure out what kind of knob it needs. Put that one back together. I believe this one and this one are Stanley. And I don't know about these two. I'll have to look into them further. As well as a random frog. Well, as some old wood planes without irons. That doesn't even have the wedge. That has no wedge nor iron. So yes, basically what I got is a box full of possibly junk parts. This does appear to be Stanley, as if you know by that thing there. So this may be the best part of the whole bunch. Anyways, till next time. I don't know. Go do something. Stop wasting your time.